What's up, guys? I'm back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna be working on Rango and semi, kind of going back and forth. I don't know exactly what we're doing exactly yet, but doing something I don't know exactly. We got the brake controller to put on this girl here. We got to fix up some of the fan stuff on the radiator and also the transcooler, which is the last video we put on. We also are waiting on the hinges for the hood, and as well as waiting for what do you call those? The shocks for the the front and the back rear. So waiting for those parts to come in so we can do that. On her, we have the brake controller, and we also have the hitch system. We gotta get it up and going. So basically, what we gotta do, we gotta make an adapter from this cable here, and then make it route a whole system to go all the way back here to hook up to the hitch, or to the trailer electrical system. So that's what we're probably starting to work on today. I think the wire's supposed to come today too, so we might actually be able to do that. Yeah, so let's hop in here. I'll show you guys what we're gonna do with the brake controller. Like I said, we're probably jumping back and forth, honestly. I don't know if you guys are gonna enjoy that or not, but so brake controller's gonna go right here. We're gonna wire all these wires, go straight down. Whoa, oh god, I almost dropped the $400 I forgot how much this thing was. The wires on this is basically goes from, this is the brake controller, this goes to the trailer. This red one here goes to the brake lights, so that activates this thing, say hey, we're braking. Black is positive and white is negative. But yeah, other than that, over here, so we got the transcooler on Rango here now. We got the radiator on her now. We do gotta get the bumper on, so maybe we'll also get the bumper on, because I gotta zip tie this to the bumper so this doesn't go back into the radiator here. But yeah, so we're moving along, guys. So let's get to work and let's figure out what the hell we're exactly doing. But I do gotta order those wires so we can get that in time. Oh wait, oh my god, my brain is so freaking messed up, guys. I did order the wires already. Damn it. Okay, so we're good. We're done that. So we're gonna get to work, figure out what we're doing. Probably start off mounting that off, moving over to this to finish mounting that all up, and then maybe we'll work on the hitch maybe today. First thing first, I gotta take off the bracketry off this. Actually, you know what? First thing first, actually, just get an idea exactly where we want this thing. Probably right there, because then this thing won't hit it. Yep. So yeah, right about right there. I'll just try to put a little mark just so I can see. Alright. So right there, that's as up far as possible, probably, as far I could go. And then that at least gives me plenty of room for the wires in the back. First, take off these. Alright, that leaves us with this, the bracketry here. Alright, got my adapters here. I got my little screws here. So what I'm going to do is put this in here like that. I'll line that up with that line I made. Oh, come on. Come on, mister. Oh, and I see where it went, but I got plenty of extras here, too. No. Alright, now that's gonna be the fun part, is gonna be try getting this thing to actually get connected to this thing, because I did not think about this part here. But when there's a will, there's a way, right, guys? Alright, so I got the thing installed. Now what the plan is for the wiring, I'm still trying to figure what I want to do, but what I want to do is loom this down to here. I want to go behind here. Like, I do want to go behind here, go da-da-da, and hopefully out the back somewhere, or even just stick inside here. But the problem with that is, what do you call it? We do not really have a easy, like, no easy way to like do it in a timely manner we have, and I don't really feel like learning how to tear this whole dash apart right now, only for the factor of time's sake. I don't want to get stuck into something, and so my idea is to probably just do a temporary setup, probably just like crimp the wires, loom it, coming down here, kind of comes down through here. Either go across the dash around down to there and find a positive wire in there. So like I said, we need one positive here, 12 volt constant, negative. The brake wire is going to be down here somewhere, or I'm going to have to route it all the way across the back of the truck and just go right to a brake light. Alright, I'm going to teach you guys some things about wiring a trailer. So this is the semi wiring here. I hope the camera's picking it up nicely. So on a trailer wire, on the semi trailer wires, you have the green, which is just a right turn or hazard. A red wire that's red, which is just a red wire that's just red. It's your stop lights. Yellow, which is your left turn and hazard. A blue wire, that's your auxiliary / ABS power. Black, which is ground, or actually clearance / side markers. Okay. White is ground, and a brown one, which is your tail / running lights. On a 7-blade one, brown is your running lights, red is your charging / your auxiliary power, green is your right turn and stop lights, and the yellow is your left turn stop lights. White is just once again ground. The blue wire is your trailer brakes, and the green one is your backlights. So this doesn't have backlights. This has a designated right and left wire for brake and blinkers. So I see here a right turn, the left turn, and stop lamps. On a regular trailer wire, you have a left turn and stop lights, right turn and stop lights. You don't have a brake wire. So that's what I meant by the brake wire is I can jump the brake wire from this plug here, because I'm gonna have to jump. I can jump from the brake wire from here to activate the brake controller. But to convert this plug to be from being a 3-light system, so being a left blinker, brake light, and a right blinker system, you need to use this controller right here to go from your brake wire, your brake light right here, your left turn and right turn. And that's what you're gonna wire all the right left wire from onto this thing into here. So all this goes into here, and it's all gonna go transfer out of this thing to being a left and a right blinker for this guy here. All right, so what we got going on for Rango right here. Rango, I messed up with these things right here. You're supposed to put these little pads in between the radiator and that, so that doesn't rub into the radiator. My mistake. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna cut these all off. Thankfully, when I ordered the kit, I got 2 kits, so we're good on that part. And this part, I did stupid thing. And once again, I just did stupid things on this part again, and I just gotta redo. I did it properly this time, but did I even do it? No, I didn't do it properly. Damn it! I didn't even do that properly. Damn it! Oh well. So I got extras for anything for all this. Listen, life's about making mistakes. You learn from them. Don't make a mistake again. So we learn. We're gonna fix it, and we don't ever do it again. That's the key thing. And thankfully we got extras, so we can at least have, you know. Thankfully both kits came with extra things for the things. I guess made for stupidity, like I just did. So yeah. So let's get going on this and get Rango, because other than that, all you gotta do for Rango is probably get this thing here straightened out here and put the bumper on, honestly, because I just gotta weld the thing under there for the bumper, and we're good to go bumper wise, as long as we can protect our assets here. All right, there you go. So as you shove through here, pops out right here, and you put one of these little locky guys on here. Set you guys up close by so you guys get a close-up view. So technically you put these on like, let's see, put this in between here like this, shove this right on here so that's flat against the radiator, and then you shove this thing right onto here. You just pull it straight, and you pull the spring in. All right, guys, so we got the radiator all that situated now. I see we got this. I had to zip tie this here because those things were not working. Don't know why, but I just zip tie it. This is not like as delicate as a radiator. This is more piping, stuff like that, so it's a lot more rigorous. I also have this very much more supported now, so this thing is not going to go anywhere. Hopefully not, at least. And then, yeah, so got this all situated here. I think that pretty much leaves the Rango. Right now we're just waiting, I think I said it already, but we're just waiting for hood hinges and shocks for that thing. The only thing left, I'm trying to find something to do today, because I do some work, go work a little bit, in a little bit. I just gotta pick up some stuff for this house for flipping. But yeah, I don't really know what else I got. Oh, I do gotta find the freaking reservoir for this thing, and I'm gonna put a screen on this thing, so this thing is basically becomes a colder intake. All right, guys, listen, we got really not much to do today. We're once again waiting on parts, waiting on an engine. But yeah, so other than that, guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below if you guys enjoyed the video, if you found it entertaining at all, or listen, comment down below. Comment down below like what you guys feel like is more interesting. Like, do you guys like me just like showing you guys, talking to you guys, and like kind of just talking through everything, or do you guys find it more boring, and would you guys rather me kind of just show you the more exciting stuff, like, you know, throwing it on, not really talking, or you know, like, let me know how you like the video format and going like that. So let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes to follow your dreams. Don't let them get in your way. I'll see you guys in the next one.